Hey folks, today we're making a soap from the Clay Nation gift set called Clay Bay, and it's a wonderful soap using French green clay for color. We're going to start as we usually do by adding the lye water solution to the oils. I've actually removed some of the water from the solution because I've had to use some of the water to dissolve the clay, which you're going to see right now. This clay is great not only as a natural colorant, but it's also a great gentle exfoliant. Now we're going to add in our essential oils. This one is a blend of basil, bay, and also a little bit of lemongrass for a nice herbal smell. It's absolutely beautiful and so fresh. Now it's time to pour it in the mold. We're using this tall skinny loaf, scraping every little bit of that goodness into the loaf. As you can see, it's a bit runny right now, so through the magic of film, I've actually waited a few moments before I've come back with this spoon to shape the top. To do the shaping, I just use a regular metal spoon, the kind that you would use in your kitchen. Doesn't have to be anything too fancy, you just want it to look a little bit intentional. Then I spritz it with rubbing alcohol, and we're going to let it sit for 1 to 2 days before we cut it. This soap turned out great. It's a simple soap, but it smells absolutely amazing, and the clay gives it that beautiful pastel green color. It's just phenomenal. This soap is really unique because it's all natural, there's no artificial fragrances, no synthetics, and it's colored, of course, just with the clay. This soap, along with 3 others, make up the Clay Nation gift set. We've got it available on the website now, but of course you can also grab individual soaps from the set like this one. You should check it out, tubbytabby.com. Be sure to grab yours quick. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to like and subscribe to catch us in our next video.